Lord, guide me, Lord. I know. Thank you, Lord, for calling. Thank you for calling Chuvanes Customer Service. My name is Brando. Do you know that?
What?
Do you know that we have a promo, a lot of promo? Okay, how are you from? How are you, ma'am?
Oh, I'm fine. How about you?
Oh, I'm from good. So far I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Oh, you're welcome.
By the way, may I have your name?
I'm Beverly.
Okay. So, hello, Kimberly.
Huh? What's Kimberly? I'm not Kimberly.
I can barely hear you, ma'am. Can you repeat again your name?
My name is Beverly.
Beverly, okay. So, how can you help me, Beverly?
Huh?
How can I help you, Beverly?
Okay, so I still haven't received my order.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the inconvenience.
What?
Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me just pull up the order, okay?
Okay.
So, you still haven't received this sauce?
What?
The worst sauce?
What worst sauce?
Ma'am, the oyster sauce.
It's Worcestershire.
Oh, I see. But ma'am, it's written here that the item has been delivered.
No, it wasn't. Are you telling me I'm a liar?
Ma'am, hindi.
Huh?
Ma'am, in the notes, it is written here that it was delivered. But don't worry.
Huh?
No worries. I'll help you get your refund back, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
But first, ma'am, let me ask you some questions, if you don't mind.
Huh?
If you don't mind.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, is this supposed to be a gift for the person?
What?
For a person?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, I see.